So after our adventure from this morning, we decided to go to a whole different lake. And unfortunately right now we don't have a whole lot of time to explain because we gotta set all of our stuff up because there's a big storm coming and it's gonna rain. So yeah, that's kind of what we're doing. There's a nice little nook back there where we're gonna put our hammocks and our my brain went blank. So anyway, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get set up before the storm comes because I'm looking at it and it looks a little menacing.
Sinister.
A little angry.
Where's my energy?
Pull a bunch of stuff out. So you tie it off to that, take that, hammer it into the ground. It's one. It's starting to rain, and we just finished up. So this is our current setup for now. You can see the outline of your head. Well, there it is. Got our hammocks, our gear,
Our beer.
our beer. You can see the storm coming our way. The wind's picked up pretty much in the last 15 minutes. Starting to get a drizzle. Full rizzle.
Got this beautiful tree to look at. This is beautiful.
So this is our current situation. Just rain. You comfy?
Yeah. I'm having fun, are you?
No. So we were looking at the weather and it's supposed to rain for the next 4 hours, I think it was. So this is where we're going to be for the next 4 hours, just laying here.
Hell yeah. I'm ready.
This thing. Yippee-ki-yay.
Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker.
God.
I'm getting comfy. Motherfucker. I'm gonna get comfy one way or another. I'm stuck.
How are you stuck? What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to move up my sleeping bag.
Oh my god. Move all the trees.
What? I did it.
Jesus.
Kind of.
So it's supposed to rain for the next couple of hours. So I'm a nap. We had a rough morning, okay, and I'm tired, and it's raining. Can't really do anything right now. So that's what I'm gonna do.
You know what? Getting shot at is a lot of work.
Yeah. Okay, everybody. It's like, what, an hour and a half later?
It's only been an hour.
I think it's been like 2 hours actually. And it's still raining. We've just been hanging out in the hammocks. Kind of like how we are now. Just, yep.
My feet hurt.
Oh, her feet fell asleep, so now she's got the TV static. We got Thermacell, keeping the mosquitoes away. We got some good beer and a nice little spot. But this is going to be home for the next few hours because I was looking at the radar and oh god, I'm gonna get up here in about 30 minutes and probably get a fire going and do something productive. Ridiculous. Inside the bag, you get the heating pouch, and then your actual meal here. And what you do is you take the heating pouch out of the bag. You then take the original bag, open it up, stick the heating pad and the meal into the bag. You add water till about right here. Zip it up, give it a quick shake, like so. And once it gets going, it really gets going. There you go, look at that. It's not even that late, it's like 8 o'clock. But it's still raining. It's been raining since like 2. And so I'm tired. And she's not tired at all. We had a big day today. I'm ready to get some sleep. In the morning, we have coffee to look forward to. And I will be dreaming of that tonight. That's for sure. Good night.
Good night.
Good morning, everybody. We got a sleepyhead of. Oh, yeah, there she is. It's like. What time is it?
7:40.
7:40 in the morning. We both had an okay night. Not the best night. We both ended up waking up a few times. It's that kind of like temperature right now where it's like crispy, and I feel like a little baked potato, and I don't want to get up or do anything right now.
I have to pee so bad and I don't want to get out because I know I'm going to get cold. We
So-
wouldn't survive out in the wilderness for very long without caffeine.
Caffeine pills.
Hey, that's not a bad idea.
No, give me a fucking 55-gallon drum of coffee beans. I'll be alright.
Yeah.
Alright. I'll be back with some coffee.
Bread.
So we like to use this stuff. It's called Kuju coffee. It comes in these little pouches, and then what you do is you tear the tops open. That reveals the coffee. Pull the tabs out on the side.